Warning: the activities in this video are not only idiotic, they are potentially dangerous. Please do not try this at home.
Still smoking. What's up, YouTube? Back again with the Freedom Willys. Today, I bought a bag. Popcorn. We're gonna see if we can turn this thing into a popcorn machine. Stick around. Well, we got this bag of popcorn. I seen a video, I think it was on Facebook Reels. Looked like some dude down in South America pouring popcorn kernels down his exhaust. It was pretty cool. So we'll see if this thing builds enough heat down in the exhaust. We can make popcorn. Or we might ruin my truck. Who knows? Stick those in there. Let's fire this thing up, go for a ride. Might have to get it good and hot first. We got her good and warmed up now. Let's try putting some more in. Might help if I shut it off. See if that gets hot enough to start spitting some popcorn kernels out.
Several minutes later.
Oh, I think I can hear them popping in there. I can hear them popping for sure. See if they start flying out on their own. If not, we'll give it a little gas here in a minute. It even smells like popcorn. Oh, it's rolling popcorn. Popcorn. A little bit of exhaust soot. Delicious. Popcorn. That's Freedom Willys popcorn. Give it a minute here to start popping again. Exquisite. Pretty good. Hear it popping in there. Popping pretty good. We're making popcorn, all right.
Guess where you just got into? Cool guy zone.
That's pretty good truck popcorn.
Talk to me. Huh? Let me talk to you a minute.
While we're waiting for this popcorn to cook, go down and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this video. If you got any other ideas about making cool stuff with a Willys pickup truck, leave a message down there. Let me know. If this video sucks, leave a comment. Tell me it sucks. Tell me to do other stuff. I'm always down and open for ideas, so go leave a comment. Also, go down below and subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. Maybe send this to a friend too. Let them know how cool this channel is. We make popcorn with trucks. It smells just like popcorn. Whoa! Did you see that? There's a big old chunk of popcorn in there. Huge chunk of popcorn. Not only did it make popcorn, it made popcorn balls. Look, still smoking. Now it smells like burnt popcorn. Hopefully this thing don't turn into another whistling diesel situation.
Fire! Base to the fire!
Well, what do we learn from this experience? Definitely can make popcorn with the Freedom Willys. Till next time, you guys enjoy yourself. They like got stuck in there and they started smoking, but it smells just like popcorn. You hear it popping? See if I can catch one with my mouth.